Hello guys, I am back with another video. In this video, I will show you how you can share your Google project or Google Maps API key project with one of your developers or helper or freelancer who is going to help you out in fixing the issues. First of all, you will need to log into your Google Maps or Google Cloud project, and then you need to select the project that you want to use here and that you want to share with your developer. So let's say I am going to choose this one for now, and this is actually the backend, the maps project right now. I am going to show you. So first of all, you guys will need to enable the API keys. Let's see which API keys you must need to enable. Maps embed API key, geocoding, places API key, maps JavaScript, places API new, and geolocation API key. Make sure all these APIs needs to be enabled. Okay, once you enable them, then go back and here you will create an API key. Okay, create API key, and after that click on these three dots, project settings, and then click on IAM, and here you will see options to grant access, and here you can add the email of the user, and here you can select the role, current used owner. Try to give the owner role if your developer is trustable, so that you can he that developer can do anything that he needs to fix the API key. I hope you understand. And one more thing, you must need to enable billing in your API key as well, and link that account, link your billing API key with billing account as well. Then the API key will start working. You can see link a billing account that you will have to do. Currently, I don't have any billing account, so I will not continue this process. So I hope this video will be helpful. At least it will help you somewhere. Thank you. Bye bye.